Hey Alex,
What's up?
rank the worst things you can do for your case, and this is part two.
Okay.
Posting anonymously on Reddit about your case.
Ooh, that's an interesting one. I guess it would depend on what it is because nothing is truly anonymous on the internet. Anything that you put out there could potentially later be revealed to be coming from you. So I would just consider it as if it wasn't anonymous. Would you want that out there or not?
From 1 to 10, what would that be?
Well, if it's something that's potentially damning for your case, 10.
Okay.
If it's, something about your new fitness plan, who cares?
Representing yourself in court.
Ooh, very bad. Attorneys shouldn't even represent themselves. Always have someone represent you.
Talking to the police.
That's also, it depends situation. Anything that you say to the police could potentially be used against you, and most often it is used against you, so you have to be really cautious about that. If there is anything potentially criminal, you definitely want to talk to an attorney first and have an attorney relay that information. But if it's at the scene of the accident, for example, you might just have to try your best, but don't take guesses. If you don't know the information exactly how it happened, then don't make guesses. Just tell them only what you know, and if you don't know, just say I don't know.
Okay. Recording a conversation without permission.
Anytime you're recording a conversation, you need to have the other party's consent. If you do record it without their consent, you can't use it against them in court. So I would not recommend that, and I would say that that is probably a 7.
Talking about your case with random people.
Don't do that either, because you never know who you're speaking to. If you have anything to discuss about your case, it's a good idea to only do it with your attorney. So I would give that maybe 7.5.
Skipping the ambulance to save money.
That's perfectly fine. I would say that that is a 2. You just have to be careful about what you say. So if they ask you if you want an ambulance and you say, I'm not hurt, but you really are, that could potentially be bad, because if it's a police officer, they're going to write down that you were not injured when in fact you were. So I always tell my clients, no thanks, I'm going to transport myself, or someone is going to transport me to the emergency room.